Congratulations to all tonight's award winners, highly commended entries and finalists.
The winner of the IChemE Industry Project of the Year is Rolls-Royce.
This is the first year that we've actually put ourselves forward for an award, so it's really shocking and really great to actually win one. Chemical engineering isn't the biggest part of Rolls-Royce, but it's a really important part of Rolls-Royce. There's a lot of chemical engineers in the business, and it's really important that we're recognised for what we do and where we fit into the greater picture. So it's a new manufacturing facility for nuclear fuel that we create. It's built on a nuclear licensed site, which makes it very complicated. The process that we have to go through, the fact that we need to create a safety case in order to use it, have made it quite a difficult task to do. So the fact that we've managed to get through it all and we've got it up and running and there's no people in there working and we're licensed to operate is a big deal for us. So yeah, it's been great. Wow, I guess this is a big deal for us. We don't often put ourselves out there to win awards. This is a rare thing for us. We quite often support, but we don't often put ourselves out as a name for entry into things like this. So yeah, it's big. I think this will probably get publicised internally, and this will make a big show of this.
A once in a generation kind of build that we're doing right now, regenerating that. The last time it was done was what, the 60s?
Yeah.
It doesn't come around that often, so the scale of the challenge is, you know, compared to other industries where they do this fairly regularly, this is a once in a generation opportunity to do it, and I think we've done well.
And I think it's a project where lots of chemical engineers are pulled together to try and make it work, so that's been really special as well.
Yeah.